Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, today topic, this one lesson as in advice to people will be say that they jam people for internet, the people will be say maybe you just somebody online, you come they tell you say now so you get business for you get you want more na run business together. All those one na lie. Many of them now either they be they want to use it for something, they will lie to you, they'll say they get business for you, may you come. So this one my lesson for now. E get one when I see for internet, let me say I must do this topic to advise our people. We be say they will see business online, they will say they want do one. Like maybe all those men for Africa, and this one for Apple now. So then they shout this man for internet. This man feel say they be better person, and the man a big man. They shout am for internet, they lie to am, say they get business for am, this that. The man can't go meet them. Not know he say they be bad people. There's the man go meet them for hotel, and then they make sure say they strangle the man. So with force now, when they want to collect some things from the man and for maybe document, maybe now even set up, they don't fair they follow the man, you know. So then they finish this man. So my people, they make sure say the man me. As I talk to Nana, the man not there alive again. No, they don't finish the man not there alive again. So my people, if you they follow all those people for internet, so you be say that they lie. If they lie, say they get business for you, don't go meet them. Oh, many even they even plan with hotel people now. Even one of the guys where they come the interview, one they work for the hotel, they plan with them. You see, they plan with them. So I beg, Mona no they do all those things again. Oh, many they be fake. Oh, like many pass. Oh, they go they lie. So they get business for now. They don't get any business. They just be liar. They be liar, my people. So now this small topic, I don't want me too long. And now two topic I will talk about. After this one, I'm going to enter the other one now. So Mona be careful. Be careful. Especially that Africa. What's it called the apple name for that Africa? Europe is still good small, but Africa, we be say, you know, you know the person. It could just lie to you. Even some guys, guy go just share them online. Then they tell you if one get that time. We be say the guy shot her online, he lied to her finish, and so the guy go meet him for hotel. Even when the school, they say the girl don't be evil person. We be say na evil spoiled person. Now very responsible girl. Maybe all those guys when they from school go they follow sugar daddies them. This one they different, but they say now get mad. I even arrange with them. When they take carry the girl come off that time. Till today now they don't see that girl again. And so the girl take meme. They use the girl for what they want to use that for. So my people, Africa people, now mostly get this advice. More than not they follow people like that to many of the many pass they lie. I beg my people. I beg. If you not they follow men, more than they be careful. More than they be careful. Make una not go enter one chance. So one chance. Like this our brother now it take go so. Many of them are just player. Yahoo. Now I call them, I don't know. They just they lie. Even the one what they constantly do now, they will just call for phone, say your ATM get problem. Maybe you bring and give them account number. Now lie, oh. They not get any account number they want to do. They want just from there get your code, get everything, they go withdraw your money. and they see men now with the be say that they will set them up, they don't know. So like na many pass, I beg my people. So the other topic now about one girl where see guy online. So the guy shot him, he go meet him. So he said the guy come, this one be like na Ghana knife for happen. He said the guy shot him online, so 12 the talk. The boy say, okay, me come meet him, they go meet him. The boy take him out, they go eat, enjoy themselves. One make the night reach, the boy come carry and go hotel. From there, the boy begin the force him. The boy begin the force him, make they enter Jerusalem. She say no, you no want enter. The boy they force him. They force him. Say make you put your only pot. He want enter. The guy say no. He say he can't force him. He can't beat him. If you see beating, if you see the guy face, he design him. No say they say design. He dualize that face for the girl. He finish the girl. Who see the girl? Go this in a motto. Na in German. Na man na beat him like that. So my people, make una dey be careful for all those men body. All those men wanna dey follow. Wanna dey be careful when many na fake. Many na lie. They just define they define girl with they want use. They define a girl song. They use the thing for all those people who be say that they find money fast. That they use them. So wanna be careful. If man chat you, look and well. Many of them are agents where they send. You know, so not be all business where they tell now lie now go they mind them more. Now see what they happen for this world. This is social media life. Everybody can't day now. When they see what they happen, when they see videos, when they see many things. If you see these guys where kill that man, when I go tire. If you see the way the first man, the way that is, this man go school, when there's a person go school. I don't know what he make and go do that kind of thing. Even when this man speak English and God, I was like, what do you make this man go do this kind of thing? What do you make him? Now those work what they don't they give them, and they cost all those things. Graduates go finish school, you go the drive bike. Why they are mad go they think on that thing? Because if you see people where they do those graduates, then many pass. Because of work, when they did that Africa, they will go they shook their hand for different things. Now they cost all those things. And which is not good. It's not good. If person finish school, supposed to work. Okay, I see one girl that day now. When the girl they complain, say adults, they don't ride Okada again. That Okada, they feed the family. They go school. They go school too. It's not that Okada, they do one. Okay, now, the government say make they stop Okada. The girl was complaining from then. I can't see help now. I can't see person we buy a car now to go see good Samaritan now. So my people, I beg this graduates go finish school, go they find work. So no good. It's not good. It's supposed maybe that they get work. Now if they cause all those problems, we be say they can go they shook their hand for different things. I beg. I don't just want to make this video too long. This one I just advice to our people. I beg if you see person online, they shout you in. No man more. Men na fake. They don't get any business, so they want to use them. They want to kill them. They want to use them for different things. I beg my people. Wanna be careful for person where you the chat with for internet. Be careful. I don't see here now. So they say if they see the sharp person now, they call person for video call. See they take their destiny. I don't know, my people. I will take consider for social media now. It tire me. I don't know. If you ask me, who me go ask? Who I will ask? So the thing it don't I will say chocotalize me. Chocotalize me, my sister. My brother, will they wash me now? So the thing it tire me. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye. Subscribe and thumbs up, please. Thumbs up for me, please. If you not the watch person video, wanna see they put thumbs up for us. It's not easy. I beg. that thumbs up show say you like wetin I talk. Now e mean e no dey cost anything, e no dey cost any money. Please thumbs up for me, please, please, please. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye. So if you see this video, please share this video for me, so that make you reach our people, our youth, everybody, make you reach their hand. You know, don't be stingy with it. Bye.